This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF363VFR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 41 feet 7 inches in length and features a chocolate interior, sleeps 6, smoke detector, awning, TV, air conditioning, refrigerator, slide-out, LP detector, spare tire kit, Skylight, self-contained, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF363VFR is 12,470 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.